We've just completed our IFA engagement event where we've been supported by aviation, UK aviation's business leaders, and a large group of the apprenticeships, ordering in the order of 95 apprentices of that order, all having the opportunity to engage with the leaders of industry and ask any questions they might.
I think that these kind of events are really important to bring the younger generation together so that they can start to learn more about the diversity of jobs that are out there within the engineering and maintenance arena. So often we only learn about one element, but actually the more that we can come together, the more that we can learn that there are so many different roles out there. And it's not always that important to reach the top. It's important to have a fulfilling and successful career. So this is an opportunity for people to meet and to share and to network.
I think for people like myself that are apprentices that have just started out in this industry, it's super beneficial to get information right from the source of those that have been in it for 30, 40 years and are now at the top of their game, leading these industries, leading aircraft maintenance companies, and to hear from them about their journey and the issues they faced, how they've overcome them, and for us, the tips and advice they have on how we can have really fruitful careers and how we can contribute to the industry that is constantly changing and innovating.
So I think it's really brilliant when we bring industry here, and in particular when we bring some of the younger people within our profession to learn from the people who've been doing it for a long time. And so that information sharing, that networking, it's just brilliant, and you can just hear a buzz when everybody's in the room.
It's been a fantastic event, hosted kindly by Cranfield University, moderated and managed by the IFA, and attended by apprentices of the UK and the UK airline business leaders. Thanks to all that attended. Join the IFA.